Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge A1 Mover Speaking Test. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Adil.
My name is Adil. Okay, Adil, here are two pictures. The pictures look same, but there are some differences. Can you tell me the difference? Like for example, in the picture one, the man has curly hair, but this picture straight hair, right? Now tell me other differences.
The bag.
There are
two bags.
Okay, and here?
And there are three bags.
Okay, now show me with the hand. There, the
girl
eating
sandwich.
Okay, here
The girl was
eating salad. Okay, here what is this boy doing?
A boy
Taking
picture.
Okay, now here the boy is reading a book. That's nice. Now moving to the part 2. This is about Fred, right? This is about Fred, and Fred loves food. Now what you can see in the picture, first picture? Fred's mom giving him what? They are giving food. Okay. Now what in the picture 2, what is he doing?
Fred is fast.
Fred eats fast. Good. Now in the picture 3, Fred is taking food from whom? His dad. Okay. Now his dad is shocked, right? Okay. Like Fred loves food, right? So Adil loves food. Yes, Adil also loves foods. I know. Okay. So now, Mr. Adil, this is the part 3, and here you will be seeing some pictures, and you have to say which one is different. Like in the first line, which one is different, Adil? Which one is different? This is lemon, this is a pineapple, this is book, and this is orange. Which one is different? Book is different because lemon, pineapple, and orange are fruits, right? We can eat them. Okay. Now in the picture, second line, which one is different? This one, because the girl is buying bread. Okay. Now in this third line, which one is different? See, this one is big, this one is big, this one is big. So which one is different? This one is different because it's small, right? Okay. Now in this line, which one is different? This one is different, right? The second one, right? Say it. The second one is different because he is swimming and he is washing car. He is washing hair and she is washing dog. Okay, thank you. Adil, now I will be asking you some questions about your family. Okay. So Adil, how many people are there in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
Okay. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
You have one sister. Okay. What do your father do?
My father is businessman.
Okay.
My mother is
Homemaker. Okay, that's nice. Who cooks in your family?
my mom.
My mother cooks in the family. Okay. Okay. Now, do you go to shopping with your family?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's nice. Do you love your family?
Yes.
Okay. Who do you play at home with?
My cats.
My kids. Okay, that's nice. Thank you, Adil. That's the end of your exam. Now say hi to the audience.